Let's talk first about positive cash flow. Now, a lot of people have a misconception that they should buy properties because appreciation is coming, but that's not necessarily the case. You should always be looking for positive cash flow. Now, positive cash flow is the difference between your monthly mortgage payment and your rent. So if your monthly mortgage payment with all of your interest and taxes and insurance is $1,500 and your rent is $2,000, your positive cash flow is $500. So you want to watch the positive cash flow. The key to making money in real estate is to have as much positive cash flow as possible. So how do you do this? Well, the first way is to find undervalued properties so that your monthly costs are super low. The other way is to find properties in desirable neighborhoods and desirable areas that rent is really, really high. So watching for a good deal on properties is very important, but also finding areas with high rents. Those are the two most important things when you're looking for positive cash flow on a property. If you have any questions about positive cash flow or how to find these types of properties, reach out to me or someone on the team. Have a great day.